So we started the paper tower competition, the activity yesterday. Day one was you're using your two pieces of notebook paper, 8.5 by 11, or printer paper, and then 12 inches of tape, something that's just a common tape. I don't care if it's painter's tape, masking tape, scotch tape, whatever, but you got 12 inches of tape and two sheets of paper. And with that, knowing that's what you have for your supplies, you're giving me a plan. What is the plan to build your tower? This is easy to do. You can sketch it on here if you printed this paper out, but since we're doing it on the computer, you can, if you want to draw something, we can go up here and just click there and we can say, I want to insert, and I want to insert a drawing, a new drawing. So I'm going to click on new drawing. And when I have my new drawing here, now I've got symbols. I've got little lines here. I can just do a simple line. So my tower, I'm going to make a piece of paper that's I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to roll it up into a tube. Let's try that. That's what a lot of people are doing, rolling it up in a tube. And that doesn't really look like a tube. So if I want, I can go to my text box and I can say, um, in my text box, roll one sheet of paper into a tube shape. Okay, there we go. And I've done that. That's my design. Okay, simple. If you want to do more, then that'd be great because this is just like a real rudimentary design. But now I've got an object there that I put in my drawing. I can make it a little bit smaller if I wanted. But basically, I've inserted my sketch there, and that's my plan. Lame as it may be, it's a plan. Then, what are the strengths of this design? So you're going to tell me what are the strengths of your design here and what are the possible weaknesses of this design. Okay, so looking at your design, answer strengths and weaknesses. Then you're going to go ahead and build your tower and you can insert the picture here. We can do really simple again. We can go from insert and we can insert an image from our camera and just take your Chromebook and take a picture right then. Make sure you put something with it. If you look at the other ones that people have turned in, we have like here's a hand sanitizer bottle, so I can kind of give an idea how tall that tower really is. This one's got a Chromebook next to it, so I can see how tall that tower is. Here's a tape measure extended. I can see how tall that tower is. That's great. So something along those lines, the picture, I take a picture with the camera there, or you can go and take a picture with your Chromebook, a video of your Chromebook of it standing for 30 seconds because it has to stand for 30 seconds. And then you can insert the image from the computer if you saved it on your computer with your Chromebook, or if you have it on your drive, however you want to do that. So basically you can insert the picture there. If you don't want to insert it into the document, then you can attach the picture with this document, this Google Doc, in Google Classroom. Make sure you've made a copy of this and that you've renamed it. Again, last name, first initial, and the document and your picture you will be turned in to Google Classroom. And the last thing before you turn it in is what needs to be improved. Once you've built your tower and you put it up for 30 seconds, what can you improve? How can you improve on that? And that's going to be the thing for the first day on the tower improvement, or on working on your tower.